Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music on multiple images post on IG. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then you want to click on the middle at the lower side of the menu settings. You click on the plus sign and then let's select the double square beneath the photo right over here. Then you want to click on image number one, image number two. This is how we're gonna go about it. This is how you're gonna select multiple images. I can select many more images if I want to. After you select the images that you wanna upload, then you press on the top right corner where it says next. Then you will have this amazing new function, which is the note sign on the top middle side of the settings. You click on the note icon and there you have it. You have all the currently popular songs. We have a For You page with recommendations, and you can also browse through the different genres. You can have for birthday celebrations, romantic, R&B, soul, pop, hip hop, whatever you'd like to. Then, very important over here is that you can simply press next, and you can add the location. You can just post as usual, and simply proceed with additional hashtags and metadata. If you by any reason decide to change your particular song right before posting, you can do so from the following menu. You don't have to go back. You have the option to change the song from here and everything will simply work fine. For more information like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.